Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you how to access Accelerated Reader away from school. So I have activated it so that the accounts are now available. Before you were not able to take quizzes outside of school, but now you are. So in the web browser, when your child logs in, they will see a folder now that says My School Bookmarks. And when they click on that link, there are two important AR links here at the top. And we're going to click on the AR tests link first. And here they have an I'm a student option. First, I'm going to type in the username and the password here, and I've made up a sample one to use. Your child should be familiar with their username and password, but if not, it's the first letter of their first name with their last name. And then the password should be their student lunch number, or some students refer to it as their AR number. So I'm going to type in my example here. And then I'm going to click log in. And on this first page, I have an orange Accelerated Reader button. And so I'm going to click on that button, and it takes me to the search screen. And on here, I can search for a book by title, by author, or there's some other options here I don't think you're going to be using very much, but the title and the author are the most important here for our use right now. So we'll type in the title of your book. So I'm going to type in just Harry Potter here. And then I see there are 54 results that have to deal with Harry Potter. And as I scroll down, I see all the books, and so maybe I want to take Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. And I click Take Quiz. And then it asks me if I want to take the reading practice quiz, the vocabulary practice quiz, or the literacy skills quiz. And the reading practice quiz is the most important quiz. Some of the teachers may have asked them to take the other two, but the reading practice is the main one that we want to make sure they take. So then we're going to click Next, and it asks them if somebody read the book to them, if they read it with someone, or if they read it by themselves. And so they click on which one it is, and then they click Start Quiz. And it starts up the questions. And you can see how many questions there are at the top of the question. So this is question 1 of 20. At the top, there's also a stop quiz right here. And it asks for a monitor password to delete the quiz record. You can just email the teacher or myself, and I will delete the quiz for your student if there are any issues. The other link I wanted to show you that's important for AR is in My School Bookmarks. There's an AR book finder. This allows you to look up AR information for a book before your child begins to read it. So if they wanted to make sure that the book that they are going to read is an AR book, then they can type in the name of the book here, and it will tell them if there is a test for that book. So if I type in Harry Potter again here, and I click search, then I can see Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets is indeed an AR quiz book, and it is a 6.7 book level, and it is 14 AR points. So if the student passes the quiz, that's how many AR points they're awarded for that book. So you can also search by the author here. But this is a great website to bookmark on your mobile devices. So if you're ever at a bookstore or at a public library, you can access this and find out if a book is an AR book or not. But for right now, it's going to be helpful to decipher if an ebook or an audio book is an AR book, and then it's right there with the AR tests once they're done. So I hope that this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, then feel free to contact your child's teacher or myself at spierce@ at stjosephwhschool.org. And I hope you have a great day.